profit. Got a trade playing out here. Let's see. Get our move to 50 points. Should be roughly around here. Get a close over that. That'd be really good. And I'll break the trade down here soon. I just want to see what happens right here at this short-term high. There we go. Let's see. Get that push up to 50. Expansion macro at 1040. See if we can get 1,000 today. That'd be nice. So we get a push a little higher. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on. Push, 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 push. We could play this high, but it's been a little bit of a tricky day. Let's see. See if we get that flush. Beautiful. Beautiful. Take it off there. That's fine. No biggie. So, about 1100 a day. You probably could have ran it up to here, but y'all know me. Um, I'm still trying to work on holding trades all the way through, but that would probably be a good target. But let's break it down. A little bit of a tricky morning, very choppy. So let's mark out the 930 opening. Vertical line 930. Okay, so that's our 930 opening. We're kind of just chopping up and down. Then we have an inversion over here, roughly speaking, and then we have this advanced market structure shift that does offer 50 points, but it was too messy for me to take. I'm not going to get into that, but my bias was we are going to work our way up into this high time frame, maybe even take out the prior day high, but we didn't get there. On top of that, it looks like we have some sort of flag pattern playing out. So I knew we were going to make some sort of push back to the top. But just a very choppy day, very high resistance. But anyhow, we work our way down and then we get a nice setup. If you don't see the setup clearly, then you probably shouldn't take it, right? So this one was kind of tricky in itself as well because if you look here, it's very small. Let's see if I can point it out here. Sometimes you have to zoom in to really identify what's happening. So volume imbalance here, so we're not going to worry about that wick. And then look at that. So this is a bearish fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. Volume imbalance, so don't worry about the wick. And then you have this bullish fair value gap here. Or I'm sorry. This is how complicated it can get when you don't see this stuff. I'm trying to identify where that inversion occurred. Let's see. Was it that tight? Okay, I think there it is. Okay, so we have bullish right here. 1, 2, 3. It's so small. You really have to zoom in. There is a gap there. That's small little gap, believe it or not. And then you have this volume imbalance, so that wick doesn't count. So you did get an overlap in this. That's how it can be sometimes, man. You got to pay attention to the very nitty gritty details. So there's an overlap occurring in here. I know that's probably not easy to see, but nonetheless, it's there. You have the advanced market structure shift right here. Okay. Entered in a little bit after that, and then it's probably going to run up to this high. I just took roughly 50 points and I was happy. It's been a very choppy day, so I didn't really want to deal with it. This is the expansion macro though, so it's probably going to get us 1040. And let's just write out the text for you guys. So that was a live execution on my live funded account with my funded futures. Still need to work on holding my trades, maybe start aiming for that low hanging fruit because I would have made a shit ton of money. Took little to no drawdown from the advanced market structure shift. Yeah, I mean, that'd have been a lot of money. But it's all good. I'm about to cash out next week, take some money, buy some Christmas presents. Alright, so what was I doing? Okay, here we go. Let's go gray. Okay. Okay. You know what, you guys? I'm not gonna break it down. I'll have a separate video. I just wanted you to see the live execution. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to break it down in this video. I'll get it all cleaned, the chart all cleaned up. We'll have a separate video and we'll break the trade down. I'll even break the one down that happened around, I believe, 950. It was a very messy setup, but it did offer you 50 points. Um, and we'll go over everything. This is HB Punch and Profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you want to get funded and make money. And look, this thing is probably gonna run up here, and wouldn't shock me if we take prior day high either. But yeah, we'll clean it up and we'll look in the description below of the live execution of this video, and you will find a breakdown of the trade setup and the signal. All right, peace.